y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today I am about to dig into a jar of unusual meat. I canned this a few days ago. This is drumsticks, chicken drumsticks, and I am going to open this. We canned them raw and this is how they look in the jar, and they're not stuck to the jar any. When I wiggle it they move around, so that's good. I really wasn't sure, but the fat protected it from sticking to the jar. I normally don't raw pack my meat, so that was interesting. I have never raw packed meat like this before, and so I'm really interested to see if these will hold their shape and how they will taste, what the texture is like, and I thought I'd share this with you guys. Okay, I am popping this open and looking inside. Looks like chicken. Chicken. Okay, it's all moving around at once. So I think maybe I can just kind of dump it out here. I don't want all of this liquid in there. I did not put liquid in this when I cooked it, when I canned it. So the juice in here came from the chicken. So I think I'm going to just leave it like this in this dish to heat up in the toaster oven. We do not have a microwave, so I'm going to be using the toaster oven to heat this through. But this is completely falling apart. Like, it's very, very tender. So I think that's going to make for some really good eating. All right, Pumpkin, you get the first bite. Tell me what you think. Okay. Get you a piece of meat. It held together really well, didn't it? Yeah. Get you a bite. You can use your fingers.
Too hot.
It's too hot? Okay, blow on it for a second. I see the steam. Is it too hot? Is it good?
It's great.
It's great? You think we should can more meat? I think it's a great plan. Don't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Okay, before I finish making my plate, I'm going to have a bite too. It's just falling apart. It's really tender, as if I had cooked these for a while. Oh my goodness. I'm really surprised. It's really tender. It tastes very chickeny. It basically marinated in the jar in its own juices, and so it's like extra chicken flavor. It's not real salty. I put the normal amount, which is half a teaspoon for pint jars, but it's really, really good. Like, this is better than rotisserie. This is awesome. We will definitely be doing more of these. 4 of these drumsticks fit in a wide mouth pint jar as well, so that's perfect just for me and Sunshine. And we will definitely be doing more of this. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate each of you. If you have meat canning questions, be sure and list those in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.